Now let us look at this question. Which of the following expressions will not be true if the expression u is less than v, less than w, less than x, less than y is equal to z, greater than a, is equal to b, greater than c is definitely true. So here they have given a statement. It's a single statement, no need for any grid or anything like that, followed by 5 conclusions. And you have to read the question very carefully, because the question is saying which of the following expressions will not be true. So there is a negative connotation. So you are asked to, normally what happens, they will give you an expression and they will ask you to find out which of the conclusion is true. Here this is the opposite of the normal question. In this question they are giving an expression and asking you to find out which of the expressions will not be true. So this is a trap. Of course it's a very minor trap, but this is a very powerful trap, because sometimes in your hurry you may get misled and choose the wrong answer. Therefore be always careful wherever you see the NOT gate. I used to tell the students the NOT gate is a very powerful gate, and wherever you see a NOT gate, immediately alert yourself and always be conscious that you have to answer the question which is not true. Now having said that, let us go into the working of this question. Now what I have done here is, I have written the expression or the statement given in the top of it, and then at the bottom I have written the conclusions that we have to verify. Now you might have observed, we had written here the 3 steps that are to be followed. Now I have removed it. Why? Now it is no longer needed. Probably you will be having it in mind. Just to recapitulate, what is the first step? Please verify whether the statement and the conclusions are in alignment. If it is not in alignment, then you have to realign the conclusion. That is step number 1. Step number 2, between the elements, verify whether there are any opposing symbol. If there are opposing symbols, then no conclusion is possible. Step number 3, fix priority. We have got 3 symbols, and then if there is no opposing symbol, you fix priority. How to fix priority? We have discussed. Therefore, the rules, just to put it in short form, first is realign the conclusion. Second is opposing symbol, verify opposing symbol. Third is fix priority. Now these 3 steps I am not going to write here again and again, because now you have to keep it in your mind and start solving. Now coming to this question, there is an important aspect we should not lose sight of. What is that? We have to verify which of the conclusion is not true. Let us write it here itself, not true, so that it will not go out of our sight or out of our mind. There is a problem, out of sight is out of mind. Now we have to verify the conclusions with the statements. Now what is conclusion 1? Z is greater than C. We have to verify whether it is true or not. Where is Z? Z is here. Where is C? C is here. Now it is Z and C, the conclusion is aligned with the statement. What we have to verify? Whether Z is greater than C is true or not. What are the symbols in between Z and C? Greater than is equal to, greater than or is equal to greater than. Between the 3 symbol which has got priority, you know this has got priority. Therefore Z is greater than C is true. Now let us go to the next question. I will shift not true to some other place, so that it will not interfere with our working here. So the next conclusion we have to verify, what are the elements there? U and Y. Where is U? U is here, Y is here. So it is aligned. The conclusion is aligned with the statement. Now we have to verify the symbols. What are the symbols? Less than, less than, less than, less than. Therefore, u less than y is also true. So the second conclusion is also true. Now we will verify the third conclusion. The third conclusion, what are the elements? Y and V. Where is Y? Y is here. Where is V? V is here. Now the conclusion is not aligned with the statement. We have to realign. That means V is less than Y. This is what we have to verify. Between V and Y, which are all the symbols? Less than, less than, less than. Therefore, V less than Y is true. So, third conclusion is also true. Now, we will verify the fourth conclusion. The fourth conclusion is, what are the elements in fourth conclusion? Z and U. Z is here, U is here. Now, the conclusion is not aligned with the statement. Therefore, we have to realign. U is greater than Z. This is what we have to verify. Now, look at U and Z. The only conclusion is U is less than Z. So, conclusion D is wrong. Now what we have to verify? Which of the conclusion is not true? That is what we have to verify. When we have completed this, the answer we got. Anyhow, for good order's sake, we shall complete conclusion E also. B is less than or equal to Y. What are the elements? The elements are B and Y. Now the conclusion is not in alignment with the statement, therefore we will change it to Y greater than or is equal to B. Now, which are all the symbols? Between B and Y is equal to, greater than or is equal to, and is equal to. Between the three which has got higher priority, greater than or is equal to, therefore Y greater than or equal to B is also true. So we have verified the 5 conclusions. Out of the 5 conclusions, only conclusion D is not true. And in the question, we are asked to find the conclusion which is not true. Therefore option D, Z is less than U, is the only conclusion which is not true. Now let us see the answer slide. For question number 13, the answer is option D, Z less than U is not true. Now we will go to the next question.